Struggling with slow vacuum pump performance? Imagine having a solution that accelerates pump down times while being energy efficient. Introducing Naksh Enterprise. Our mechanical vacuum boosters significantly improve the performance, ultimate vacuum, and pumping speed of your vacuum systems. How it works. Vacuum boosters are positive displacement pumps. They feature two figure 8-shaped impellers. The impellers rotate in opposite directions. They trap and move air through the system. Plus, enjoy an eco-friendly vacuum system. 100% oil-free, dry pumping ensures a cleaner operation. High volumetric efficiency maximizes output. Capacity boosting of 8 to 10 times increases productivity. Very low power consumption reduces operational costs. Considerable reduction in pump downtime enhances reliability. Sounds promising? Contact us for a quote. Ready to enhance your vacuum systems?